Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to another tutorial video of our channel. So in today's video we will see how we can design this flyer in Canva. So guys, let's start the tutorial. Okay, so here we can see our page. So I have already taken some elements and text here. So guys, you can use these elements on the design from your elements panel or the design panel. So I'm changing the font of this text. Doing some slight adjustments to the design here. Okay, so if you find something to move difficult, you can always lock the other elements and you can freely move your desired one. I'm changing the color from black to navy blue kind of thing, and also giving some effects, shadow. That's looking quite good. So you can copy the style and paste it so the other text also look like this. So here comes our image. We have already downloaded from the internet. So let's just place the image here and move to the background layer. Okay, I'm playing with the transparency panel as well. I'm taking a shape here and changing the color to blue. So I just took another shape and just aligning it to the design. So you can see the shape we took earlier is making a nice effect on the top. Making some more shapes here. Lowering down the transparency and trying to make a nice gradient effect. So let's change the fonts here. We have doing some adjustments actually. Without proper adjustments, your design won't look professional at all, so you'll always have to do the adjustments. So this was our last shape we took. So I'm trying to adjust the shapes and give it a more professional look here. So I'm deleting the image and placing my image here, which I would like to have. If you double click on it, you can adjust the image. So I'm adjusting the shapes and other layers to give it a nice look. So I'm doing some adjustments here with the shapes and other things. So here comes our contact us information. So you'll be using this information on the bottom left of the design. So I'm taking some shadows here and playing with the transparency as well. Adjusting the elements here. So here comes our logo. So I'll be putting it into a frame. Okay, so let's just adjust the frame first and then we'll adjust the logo inside it. Okay, the frame looks good on the top right corner of the flyer. So yeah, here we just adjusted the logo into the frame. Slight adjustments here. You gotta always make it center aligned. I'm placing some shadows here to make the design look more professional here. So I'm placing it on the background layer. Okay. And also I'll be placing some shadows underneath each and every icons on the left side. So here comes our final design. So I hope you guys like this tutorial video, and if you like this video, please stay tuned with our channel, official YouTube and Facebook channel of Creations Ltd. And until our next video comes up, please stay tuned and stay safe guys. Thank you very much.